The web development landscape is constantly changing. New technologies emerge and existing technologies evolve. It's a fast-paced world that offers exciting opportunities, especially in 2025. Whether you're just starting or a seasoned developer, understanding the key trends is crucial for success. This roadmap will guide you through the essential skills and technologies that will dominate the web development landscape in 2025. Get ready to dive into the world of front-end, back-end, and full-stack development. The demand for skilled web developers continues to grow at an unprecedented rate. Businesses are increasingly relying on websites and web applications. This reliance fuels the need for talented individuals who can build and maintain these digital platforms. As we move further into 2025, specific skills and technologies will be highly sought after. By understanding these trends, you can position yourself for success in this exciting and rewarding field. So, buckle up and prepare to navigate the dynamic world of web development. Front-end development is the art of creating what users see and interact with on a website. It's about crafting visually appealing and user-friendly interfaces that provide a seamless browsing experience. In 2025, mastering the core front-end technologies remains crucial. Start with the foundation: HTML for structuring content, CSS for styling, and JavaScript for interactivity. These three technologies are the building blocks of the web. Once you have a solid understanding of these fundamentals, explore popular JavaScript frameworks like React or Vue.js. Frameworks provide pre-built components and libraries that streamline development and enhance your productivity. They are essential tools for building complex and interactive web applications. Mastering these frameworks will give you a significant advantage in the job market. While the front end deals with the user interface, the back end handles the behind-the-scenes magic. This is where you'll work with servers, databases, and the logic that powers web applications. To excel in back-end development in 2025, you need to be comfortable working with server-side languages like Node.js or Python. These languages are popular for their versatility and efficiency in handling data and business logic. Understanding databases is equally crucial. Explore popular options like MongoDB, known for its flexibility, or PostgreSQL, known for its reliability. Databases store and manage the data that your web applications rely on. A strong grasp of database management is essential for building robust and scalable applications. Full-stack development is like being the architect and the builder of a website. You'll handle both the front end and back end, creating a seamless connection between what users see and the underlying logic. This holistic approach offers a complete understanding of web development. It's a highly sought-after skill set in 2025. To become a successful full-stack developer, you need proficiency in both front-end and back-end technologies. This includes mastering HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and a back-end language like Node.js or Python, along with database knowledge. Full-stack developers are in high demand because they can handle all aspects of web development, making them valuable assets to any team.